I'm McKenna. I'm the Summer Reading Club coordinator, and today I have our week 6 Summer Reading Club craft for both age groups, 3 to 6 years old and 7 to 12. We're going to do the same craft this week because I just loved it so much. I think it's easy for both age groups. So this week we will be making a paper plate flower, and when you come to the library to pick it up from the front desk, you will get a bag as per usual. In your bag you will get the paper plate, as well as 2 foam leaves and a popsicle stick for the base of the flower, some glue, and 3 crayons. So I would begin by coloring your flower as well as your base, or the popsicle stick, which will end up being the stem of your flower. And you can use the crayons that we provided, you can use markers, or you can use paint. I personally painted mine, but I would suggest markers or crayons because then you don't have to wait on dry time for the flower. After that, after mine dried, I cut slits into the paper plate up until this line to make it look like my flower had petals, but you can draw the petals on, you can do whatever you would like. After I did that, I glued the leaves to my popsicle stick, and then I glued the popsicle stick to my flower so that I had my paper plate flower. So as per usual, quantities are limited. We've made some extras this week because both age groups are doing the same craft, and you can begin picking them up on Saturday, July 24th. And if you would like to earn tickets towards prizes, you can just send me an email of the completed craft. I'm super excited to see these ones. I think that they're so adorable, and I hope that you will all send me your beautiful crafts. Until then, bye.